Hello everybody. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Changan Fengjing Journeyer, one of the most advanced compact motorhomes to come out of China. Built on the Changan Hunter plug-in hybrid platform, it combines everyday drivability with true adventure capability. Despite measuring less than 6 meters in length, it offers a surprisingly spacious interior with sleeping space for 4 people, a fully equipped kitchen, a complete bathroom with a shower, and a comfortable dining area. Power comes from a 31.18 kilowatt-hour lithium battery with a 6 kilowatt external power supply, while intelligent voice control, a 360-degree camera system, and advanced all-wheel drive with 3 differential locks make it stand out from the competition. Let's find out what this impressive Chinese motorhome has to offer. Now, let's step into the bathroom. This motorhome features a combined bathroom and shower, making excellent use of the available space while providing everything you need for comfortable travel. At the top, you'll find a convenient towel holder, keeping your towels within easy reach. Right next to it, in the ceiling, there's a compact roof ventilation hatch, equipped with an electric exhaust fan and 4 bright LED lights. Next to it is a practical storage cabinet for toiletries, cosmetics, and other everyday essentials. Below, there's a small side window fitted with both a mosquito screen and a blackout blind, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping insects out and providing privacy whenever needed. Beside the window is the sink. Above it, a modern mirror with integrated LED lighting displays both the current time and the interior temperature, adding a premium high-tech touch to the bathroom. Under the sink, a large pull-out drawer provides generous storage space for towels, toiletries, and other bathroom essentials. The bathroom also features a cassette toilet, a reliable and practical solution commonly found in modern motorhomes. Completing the space is a full-size shower with a handheld shower head, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable shower wherever your journey takes you. Despite its compact dimensions, this bathroom is exceptionally functional, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed for life on the road. At the lower end of the motorhome, right next to the rear longitudinal bed, you'll find the climate control panel. The upper switches operate the powerful 2,000-watt electric heater. Directly below, the higher digital controller manages the water heater, allowing you to adjust the water temperature and control the hot water system with ease. Mounted overhead is a full-size air conditioner, providing efficient cooling during hot summer days. At the head of the bed, you'll find an individual reading light, a convenient power outlet, and a separate light switch, allowing each person to control their own lighting without disturbing others. Next to the bed is a large side window equipped with both a mosquito screen and a blackout blind, letting you enjoy fresh air during the day and complete privacy at night. Above the bed, 4 large overhead cabinets provide generous storage space for clothes, bedding, and other travel essentials, helping keep the interior neat and organized. Moving forward, we arrive at the dinette. This comfortable dining area is designed to accommodate up to 4 people, making it perfect for family meals, relaxing, or working on the road. The tabletop is impressively well equipped, featuring 3 220-volt power outlets, USB and USB Type-C charging ports, 2 built-in cup holders, and a compact digital display showing the time, interior temperature, battery level, and other important system information. A large side window fills the dining area with natural light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Above the dinette, spacious overhead cabinets offer even more storage for everyday items and kitchen supplies. The seats are upholstered in attractive saddle brown leatherette, giving the interior a warm and premium appearance. The table is fully adjustable in multiple directions and can quickly be lowered to create an additional sleeping area whenever extra sleeping space is needed. Finally, let's move into the alcove sleeping area above the cab. This cozy bedroom features individual reading lights for each occupant, while 2 side windows provide natural light and cross ventilation. Above, a large panoramic roof hatch makes the space feel even more open and airy, while also offering beautiful views of the sky. The entire sleeping area is finished in elegant white diamond-stitched leatherette, creating a luxurious atmosphere. At the front, you'll also find a practical shelf along with several open storage compartments, perfect for keeping your phone, books, glasses, or other small personal items close at hand. Now, let's take a look at the driver's cabin. Built on the modern Changan Hunter platform, the cabin offers a stylish contemporary interior with the comfort and feel of a modern passenger vehicle. In front of the driver is a multifunction steering wheel, while a wide dual-screen display seamlessly combines the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system into one sleek unit. The floating center console features a rotary gear selector, a wireless smartphone charging pad with active cooling, deep storage compartments, and dual cup holders, making every journey more convenient and enjoyable. The front seats are upholstered in light-colored leatherette, giving the cabin a spacious and premium feel. Now, let's take a look at what's located opposite the dinette. Above the entrance door, you'll find two displays. One is dedicated to the 360-degree camera system, while the other serves as the main control panel for the motorhome. Moving into the kitchen, the countertop features an induction cooktop. Below it is a refrigerator with a separate freezer compartment. Continuing through the kitchen, you'll find everything needed for comfortable cooking on the road. Next to the refrigerator are two spacious pull-out drawers, providing plenty of room for cookware, utensils, and everyday kitchen essentials. Above them is a built-in microwave oven, allowing you to quickly heat or prepare meals wherever your journey takes you. Directly above the microwave is another dedicated drawer, perfectly sized for storing forks, spoons, knives, and other cutlery. Beside the induction cooktop sits a large stainless steel sink paired with a full-height residential-style faucet featuring a flexible pull-out hose. This makes washing dishes, filling pots, or cleaning fresh food much more convenient. Near the entrance door, you'll also find the main interior light switch, along with the control for the electric retractable step, giving you quick and easy access as you enter or leave the motorhome. Now, let's take a quick look at the technical specifications. The Changan Fengjing Journeyer measures 5.91 meters in length, 2.17 meters in width, and 2.92 meters in height, making it compact enough for everyday driving while still offering a spacious interior. It is built on the Changan Hunter platform and is powered by a modern plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric drive system. Intelligent all-wheel drive, together with front, center, and rear differential locks, gives this motorhome impressive off-road capability that is rarely seen in vehicles of this class. The living module is equipped with a 31.18 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, a 6 kilowatt external power supply system, and a 2,000-watt electric heater. Fresh water capacity reaches 150 liters, while the gray water tank holds 50 liters, allowing for comfortable off-grid camping. Additional highlights include intelligent voice control, a 360-degree camera system, roof-mounted air conditioning, and a fully equipped kitchen and bathroom. With a claimed driving range of over 1,000 kilometers, the Journeyer combines modern technology, outstanding practicality, and true adventure capability in one compact motorhome.